Good morning children. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 of class 6, that is integers. In this chapter we learn explain negative numbers and their necessity in the number system, define integers, order the integers, represent them on a number line, state the absolute values of integers, state the opposite of an integer, perform the operations of addition and subtraction with integers. Introduction to integers. We have learned that natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and we use these numbers for counting purposes. As counting naturally start from 1 onwards, this set of numbers is also called counting numbers. In the case of measuring any quantity such as length, area, volume, weight, temperature, force, energy, etc., we have to start with the starting point of measurement, and we had to introduce 0. In our day-to-day lives, we often come across many situations involving the use of such numbers. In this chapter, we will be discussing such numbers which are known as integers and also some of their basic operations. Temperature. During the winter season, the minimum temperature on a particular day, say in Chennai, may be 20 degrees Celsius. This means that the temperature in Chennai is higher than the melting point of ice, which is 0 degrees Celsius. On the same day, the minimum temperature in Simla may be 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. How do we represent this? The temperature is represented as minus 5 degrees Celsius. Read as minus 5 degrees Celsius. Height. If we say that the height of a mountain is 2000 meters, it means that the mountain top is 2000 meters above the mean sea level. Here, the mean sea level is considered to be the zero level. Similarly, the depth of an ocean, say 300 meters below the mean sea level, can be expressed as minus 300 meters high. It must not be mentioned as minus 300 meters below sea level. This will mean 300 meters above the sea level. If the height is considered as positive, depth is considered as negative height and vice versa. Direction. If we consider the direction towards the north as positive, then 5 meters north would mean 5 meters towards the north, while minus 5 meters north would mean 5 meters in the opposite direction of north, that is 5 meters towards south. Similarly, the negative of south is the positive of north. Profit and loss. If a profit of rupees 10 is expressed as rupees plus 10, then a loss of rupees 20 is expressed as rupees minus 20 profit. We can say that negative profit is positive loss and negative loss is positive profit. Exercise 5A, question number 1. Use plus or minus to represent the following. Consider above mean sea level, profit, rise, not, right, deposit as positive, whereas below mean sea level, loss, fall, south, left, withdrawal as negative. Bit A, profit rupees 50 which equals to plus 50. Bit B, a loss of rupees 50 which equals to minus 50. C, 50 kilometers south which equals to minus 50. Bit D, 50 kilometers north which equals to plus 50. Bit E, 40 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade which equals to minus 40. Bit F, 40 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade which equals to plus 40. Bit G, 50 centimeters to the right which equals to plus 50, and bit H, 50 centimeters to the left which equals to minus 50. Bit I, a rise of 50 points which equals to plus 50. Bit J, a fall of 50 points which equals to minus 50. Bit K, a withdrawal of rupees 70 from a bank which equals to minus 70. And bit L, a deposit of rupees 70 which equals to plus 70. Bit M, 50 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade which equals to plus 50. Bit N, 50 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade which equals to minus 50. Bit O 20 meters below mean sea level, which equals to minus 20. Bit P 20 meters above mean sea level, which equals to plus 20. Question number 2. Using the number line, introduce greater than, equal to or less than in the boxes in each case. Bit A 0 and minus 3. Here the answer is 0 is greater than minus 3. Bit B minus 4 and 1. Here the answer is minus 4 is less than 1. Bit C minus 7 and minus 5. Here the answer is minus 7 is less than minus 5. Bit D 0 and 4. Here the answer is 0 is less than 4. Bit E 1 and 0. Here the answer is 1 is greater than 0. Bit F minus 10 and minus 10. Here the answer is minus 10 is equals to minus 10. And question number 5. Write all the integers between bit D 4 and 8. Here integers between 4 and 8 are 5, 6 and 7. Bit E 0 and 6. Here all the integers between 0 and 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And question number 6. Fill the boxes correctly with greater than or less than symbol. Bit A 0 and minus 1. Here the answer is 0 is greater than minus 1. Bit B minus 8 and minus 14. Here the answer is minus 8 is greater than minus 14. Bit C 8 and minus 3. Here the answer is 8 is greater than minus 3. Bit D minus 17 and minus 6. Here the answer is minus 17 is less than minus 6. Bit E minus 6 and plus 2. Here the answer is minus 6 is less than plus 2. Question number 7. Circle the greater number in each pair. Bit A minus 1 and minus 23. Here minus 1 is greater than minus 23. So minus 1 is greater number. Bit B minus 7 and minus 23. Here minus 7 is greater than minus 23. So minus 7 is the greater number. Question number 9. Write the next 3 integers in each of the following pattern. Bit A 6, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6. Here the next 3 integers are minus 9, minus 12, minus 15. Bit B minus 16, minus 8, 0, plus 8. Here the next 3 integers are plus 16, plus 24, plus 32. Bit C 17, 12, 7, 2. Here the next 3 integers are minus 3, minus 8, minus 13. Question number 12. State which temperatures is lower in each case. Bit A minus 4 degrees centigrade or minus 10 degrees centigrade. Here the answer is minus 10 degrees centigrade. Bit B 7 degrees centigrade or minus 7 degrees centigrade. Here the answer is minus 7 degrees centigrade. Bit C minus 1 degree centigrade or 1 degree centigrade. Here the answer is minus 1 degree centigrade. Question number 13. Write the absolute values of the following integers. Bit A absolute value of minus 10 which equals to 10. Bit B absolute value of 84 which equals to 84. Bit C absolute value of minus 73 is equals to 73. Bit D absolute value of 64 is equals to 64. Bit E absolute value of minus 1 is equals to 1. Question number 14. Write the exact opposite of the following integers. Bit A minus 27. The opposite value of minus 27 is equals to plus 27. Bit B minus 301. The opposite value of minus 301 is equals to plus 301. Bit C plus 61. The opposite value of plus 61 is minus 61. Bit D minus 1. The opposite value of minus 1 is plus 1. Bit E minus 8. The opposite value of minus 8 is plus 8. Bit E represents 6 plus minus 11. Use the number line. If we want to add minus 11 to 6, we start from 0, move 6 units to the right to get 6. Then we move 11 units to the left starting from 6 to add minus 11 and reach the final position denoted by minus 5. Thus 6 minus 11 which equals to minus 5. Bit G represent 9 plus minus 1. Use the number line. If we want to add minus 1 to 9, we start from 0 and move 9 units to the right to get 9. Then we move 1 unit to the left starting from 9 to add minus 1 and reach the final position denoted by 8. Thus 9 plus minus 1 which equals to 8. Exercise 5b, question number 1. Use the number line given in figure A to answer the following. Bit I represent minus 3 plus 3. Use the number line. If we want to add minus 3 to 3, we start from 0 and move 3 units to the right to get 3. Then we move 3 units to the left starting from 3 to add minus 3 and reach the final position denoted by 0. Thus minus 3 plus 3 which equals to 0. Bit K represents 16 minus 11. Use the number line. If we want to add minus 11 to 16, we start from 0 and move 16 units to the right to get 16. Then we move 11 units to the left starting from 16 to add minus 11 and reach the final position denoted by 5. Thus 16 minus 11 which equals to 5. Exercise 5b, question number 2. Add the following integers. Bit A minus 8 minus 6. Minus 8 plus minus 6 which equals to minus 8 minus 6. When you are adding minus 8 and minus 6, we will get minus 14. Question number 2. Add the following integers. Bit C minus 6 6. Add minus 6 and 6. Minus 6 plus 6 which equals to 0. Question number 3. Use the number line to solve the following. Bit F 7 plus 2. If you want to add 2 to 7, we start from 0 and move 7 units to the right to get 7. Then we move 2 units to the right starting from 7 to add plus 2 and reach the final position denoted by 9. Thus 7 plus 2 which equals to 9. Exercise 5b, question number D, 4 plus minus 2. If we want to add minus 2 to 4, we start from 0 and move 4 units to the right to get 4. Then we move 2 units to the left starting from 4 to add minus 2 and reach the final position denoted by 2. Thus 4 plus minus 2 which equals to 2. Question number 4. Add the following. Bit A minus 20 and plus 30. Here minus 20 plus 30. Now write 30 as 20 plus 10. That is minus 20 plus 20 plus 10. Now cancel the positive 20 and negative 20. We'll get the answer as 10. Question number 4. Add the following. Bit B plus 10 and minus 12. Here 10 plus minus 12. Minus 12 can be written as minus 10 plus minus 2. That is 10 plus minus 10 plus minus 2. Now 10 minus 10 minus 2. Now cancel the positive 10 and negative 10 which equals to minus 2. Question number 5. Add the following. Bit A 343, 356 and minus 343. Now write it as 343 plus 356 plus minus 343. Now it can be written as 343 plus 356 minus 343. Now cancel positive 343 and negative 343. We'll get 356 as answer. Question number 5. Add the following. Bit D 835 plus minus 336 plus minus 264. Here 835 plus minus 336 plus minus 264. Now add the two negative values, that is minus 336 and minus 264. We will get minus 600. That is 835 plus minus 600. Now split 835 into 600 plus 235. That is 600 plus 235 plus minus 600, which equals to 600 plus 235 minus 600. Now cancel the positive 600 and negative 600, we will get the answer 235. Exercise 5C, question number 1, simplify bit A minus into minus 10. Here negative value into negative value which gives the positive value. Here minus into minus 10 which gives positive 10. Bit B minus into minus 20 will give positive 20. Bit C minus into minus 4 will give positive 4. Bit D minus into minus 70 will give positive 70. Question number 2, subtract the following. Bit A 7 minus minus 4. Here minus into minus we will get a positive value, that is plus 4. It can be written as 7 plus 4 which equals to 11. Bit D 16 minus minus 7. Here minus into minus will get positive value, that is positive 7. It can be written as 16 plus 7 will get 23. Question number 2, subtract the following. Bit E minus 9 minus minus 1. Here minus into minus will get positive value, that is minus into minus 1 will get plus 1. It can be written as minus 9 plus 1. Minus 9 is split into minus 1 plus minus 1. That is minus 8 minus 1 plus 1. Now cancel positive 1, negative 1, will get minus 8 as the answer. Question number 3, simplify bit E minus 2 minus into minus 12. It can be written as minus 2 minus into minus 12. Here minus into minus will get positive value, that is minus into minus 12 will get positive 12. It can be written as minus 2 plus 12. Plus 12 can be written as plus 2 plus 10, that is equals to minus 2 plus 2 plus 10. Here plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled, will get positive 10 as the answer. Question number 4, subtract bit A 25 from minus 15. That is minus 50 minus 25. Now add the two negative integers, will get minus 75 as the answer. Question number 4, subtract bit C minus 315 minus 360. That is 360 minus minus 315. Minus into minus will get positive value, that is 360 plus 315 will get 675 as the answer. Question number 6, subtract the sum of 28 and minus 12 from 50. Here 50 minus 28 plus minus 12 which equals to 50 minus 28 minus 12. Now subtract the values. 28 minus 12 will get 16, that is 50 minus 16. Now split 50 into 34 plus 16, that is 34 plus 16 minus 16. Now cancel the positive 16 and negative 16, will get the answer 34.